Welcome to this episode of Get Dressed With Me on Coach's Jacket. Now, I've been seeing Coach's Jackets everywhere. Lots of brands are doing them, so I wanted to do this one from Babes Right Out that I love. Here it is with some tie pants from Amazon, Uniqlo puffer, and a Harley-Davidson hoodie, and my Nike running shoes and some socks. Or actually, I have tights on under because it's winter and I'm always cold. But I love my Coach jacket because it's water repellent and windproof, so it's great when you want to do some layers and there's maybe a little rain or fog going and you just want something lighter than like a giant puffer. I love this guy. Here it is with a Burton flannel and my Eat Dust skinny jeans and my Red Wing logging boots. This is kind of my Americana vibe of the Coach's jacket. Again, Celine sunglasses on. You guys know those are part of my favorites. And a Greek fisherman's cap here. Kind of my down by the docks look, if you will. I got that the Babes Right Out Coach's jacket at Babes in the Dirt a couple years ago, and I bought it in every colorway after that because they're just so good for having on my motorcycle, just having in my truck or my backpack when I'm traveling. Here is the Coach's jacket with my favorite silk pajamas from Giles, and they're in a fisherman lure print, with my low top ultralight Vans in black that I love so much, and a wool beret from Amazon. This is kind of my artsy Julian Schnabel, Hugh Hefner inspired look, layered with tights and a Calvin Klein bra, tights from Wolford because I'm always freaking cold. Here it is with a really cute Realization Par dress to like make it a little more girly, put with some Rick Owens wedge boots and my Stetson Tom Mix hat in black that I adore. Again, I feel like the Coach's jacket's such like a masculine shape. It's cool to mix it with something feminine like the Realization Par dresses. Now here it is with a Brooks Brothers shirt, blue shirt, long lounge shirt that I cut into a dress many years ago, and my Bottega Veneta wide leg trousers. I have on some big shoes there, some pumps, and then the little Coach's jacket on top. Super chic, more for wear to work moment. Fancy dinner. That's it. Okay, bye. See you on the next episode.